Are you looking for the best gas-powered pressure washer? In this video, we will break down the top 4 gas-powered pressure washers on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
VideoWiki is a product review database in video format. Here we're a group of product research where we test, analyze, and research trending products. Our goal is to create a list of top picks with buying guides for every category based on the product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the products link down below in the description. And please like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews regularly.
At number 1. SIMPSON Cleaning PS3228 Gas Pressure Washer. This pressure washer is made in the US, with foreign and domestic components. The Honda GX200 engine is a powerhouse at cleaning pavement and fences and removing graffiti, to name a few uses. With its AAA industrial triplex plunger pump that has 3,300 psi and 2.5 GPM, it provides consistent water flow when running. It comes with 5 nozzles that have different patterns ranging from pinpoint to wide fan. These nozzles are all quick connected, making it a breeze to switch between them. We did find that the included heavy-duty 5/16" 25-foot hose tends to kink and show signs of wear easily. The frame is heavy-duty and will hold up to the toughest of jobs for a long time, and it's portable with its large 10-inch pneumatic wheels. Though it weighs 138 pounds, the compact design made it easy to load. On the downside, a tall person could have difficulty maneuvering this washer due to how small it is. The SIMPSON is easy to assemble and has a great warranty that is hard to beat. The engine has a limited 3-year warranty, and the pump comes with a limited 5-year warranty. At number 2. STANLEY Gas Pressure Washer. The STANLEY is a well-known brand and offers the best gas pressure washer for the money. It has 2,800 psi at 2.3 GPM, which provides efficient cleaning for all your home projects. The pump is a maintenance-free OEM Technologies vertical axial cam that is rated to perform for many years. We found that the STANLEY is not as powerful as the SIMPSON, but it still did a good job cleaning. Overall, it is smaller and more compact, weighing only 71.8 pounds, so we liked how easy it was to transport. The 12-inch never flat wheels aren't as smooth pneumatic wheels, but these are large enough to move the unit over rough terrain. It comes with 4 nozzles that were easy to connect, and it has a durable, non-kink hose. There is an adjustable pressure regulator that allows you to increase the pressure for dirtier jobs or decrease it for more fragile areas. It is straightforward to set up and use, and it starts up on the first pull each time. The limited warranties on this product are also great. The engine has 2 years, the pump 1 year, and the frame a 5-year warranty. Since the STANLEY is a smaller machine with less power, it's not best suited for commercial cleaning, which is why it didn't reach our number 1 spot. At number 3. 1 Gas Pressure Washer. The WIN PW3100 gas pressure washer is famous for delivering a lot of pressure. It can efficiently clean the dirt away on different surfaces. The spray output is reliable and consistent. The durable construction ensures long-lasting use. The unit blasts away undesired filth to present the pristine look to the surface. Any layer of dirt and grime can be effectively cleaned. The PSI output is 3,100 psi. The 208 cubic centimeters per stroke OHV engine pumps a maximum of 2.5 gallons per minute. There is the inclusion of 5 quick connect nozzles. They include 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap nozzles. With the help of quick change connectivity, it is easy to switch from one nozzle to another. You can pop on the soap nozzle for efficient cleaning of boats, cars, and RVs. The different nozzles aptly meet the need for a wide range of projects with different sizes of surface sensitivities. In the configuration, the built-in axial cam pump produces a reliable and constant spray. Also, it maximizes the lifespan of the unit. At the bottom, the 12-inch wheels offer easy mobility on different terrains. This unit allows you to pour up to 32 fluid ounces detergent inside the built-in soap tank. In this way, it offers superb cleaning power for tough jobs. The pack contains a 30-foot reinforced hose, a quick connect spray gun, a built-in soap tank, and a 2-year warranty. Make sure you condition the pump through RV antifreeze to make sure no water will inflate and crack the pump during winter. At number 4. Generac gas-powered pressure washer. Featuring 3,200 psi, the Generac Speedwash is a gas-powered pressure washer that offers a complete washing system with best-in-class cleaning power. Since it's a complete cleaning system, this pressure washer includes a host of innovative cleaning attachments like a soap blaster, power broom, and turbo nozzle that provide better cleaning results in less time. It allows you to clean smarter and 50% faster. With the power broom attachment, you can clean 4 times faster than a typical nozzle. The turbo nozzle provides a pinpoint stream that rotates, which is created to remove difficult grime and dirt off surfaces 30% faster than a typical nozzle. With the soap blaster attachment, you can spray soap 3 times farther than a typical nozzle tip and penetrate tough stains while improving cleaning results. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.